everybody, Marcy here. I'm going to take you through another HIIT, high intensity interval training yoga workout. So again, this is low impact, something that you can do in the morning, late at night, when the babies are asleep, whenever you can fit it in. It's going to be a little longer this time. So the first one that I did, make sure that you check that out, was only 10-11 minutes. So this one's going to be almost double that. So we're really going to fire it up and you should feel really good. This is also great for those that live in an apartment that can't stomp and make noise, okay? So that means we're going to be doing a particular flow. I love vinyasa. So we're going to do a flow for a minute and a half, and then we're going to rest for roughly 10 seconds. 10 to 20 seconds between every circuit. So make sure that you follow along. Here's the description. Let's get started. All right, so for the intervals today, the first one is going to be wheel. So you're going to be putting your knee over your heel. You're going to be bridging up on your back. Your shoulder blades roll on your back blades and come up with a fist, and that fist goes on the ground. You're really going to extend up as high as you can. Now, that's the more beginner. If you want to really crank it up, do some of the pulses that you see I'm doing throughout the video, and you'll really start firing up that heat in your body. All right, so the next flow, what you're going to do, you're going to begin in downward facing dog. You're going to extend forward to plank. You're going to rise up into warrior one. You're then going to go to warrior two. You're then going to go to reverse warrior and come all the way back down to vinyasa and chaturanga and start over again. So that's high push up to low push up to upward facing dog, back to downward facing dog. So hopefully you will enjoy that flow. All right, so the last interval that we're doing, really cranking up the legs. You're going to straddle your feet wide, the length of your mat, what you feel comfortable with your hips. You're going to do a wide half lift, so your legs are wide. You're still going to extend those arms up with a flat back. You're going to then release down. You're going to walk your hands over to one side and do a lunge. You're going to walk yourself over to the other side, so you're pretty much doing a lateral lunge. You're coming back to the middle, you're turning your feet in, you're rising all the way up to goddess pose. You're doing some goddess squats, some yogi squats. You're going to do two, and then you're going to swan dive forward, wide legs, and begin over again.
and I would like to.
Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed the yoga flow today. That I call that HIIT yoga, where we really turned up the heat in our body and then we slowed it down to still get in shape and recover between each of the intervals. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and make sure that you tune in for the next one. I need a thumbs up for this video if you liked it. I need to subscribe and continue doing yoga. I'm going to keep making them as long as you guys like them. Hope you enjoy it. See ya.
Alright, I really hope you enjoyed this workout. Give me feedback, give me a thumbs up, and make sure that you signed up for my newsletter. I'm sending out some really top health information that I think you would love to know. It's free to sign up. You can unsubscribe anytime that you get tired of learning about health, but definitely do it. Give this video a thumbs up one more time, and hey, leave me feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.